Jai Hind. Here is a biological puzzle time question. A cell organelle that plays a crucial role in the detoxifying poison and foreign material. This answer contains 20 alphabet letters. So name these cell organelles. So pause the screen and give the answer and check the answer. There is 20 letters is available or not. So correct answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. So there is total 20 letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So cell organelles that plays a crucial role in the detoxifying poison and foreign material in a cell. Second question, the structure which the cell wall is composed of. 9 letters. Answer. Pause the screen and write the answer. Answer is cellulose. 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 letters is there. Third question, the outermost covering of the cell. There is 14 letters. Answer. So answer is 14 letters is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. So we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Fourth question, the instrument that is used to observe tiny or minute things. Answer is in 10 letters. So microscope. Microscope. Count the letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next question, number 5. Question is, the phenomena of sinking of contents of the cell away from the cell wall due to the loss of water through osmosis in a plant cell. So there is 11 letters. Answer is 11 letters. And answer is plasmolysis. Plasmolysis. So count the letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Question 6. The process that involves the engulfing of food and other material from its external environment. This also contains 11 letters. So answer is endocytosis. Endocytosis. So count the letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Question 7. A cell organelle that helps keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. There is 8 letters and answer is lysosome. What is another name of lysosome? Suicidal bag of the cell. When it loses the control over cell, lysosome bursts itself and it digests the cell. It has an enzyme, so it can kill the cell after control.
That is like a suicide.
Next question number 8. A cell organelle that is important for photosynthesis in plant. So 11 letters is there. Answer is chloroplast. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 letters is there. Question 9. The controlling center of a cell. 7 letters answer. Answer is nucleus. Answer is nucleus. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 letters is there in nucleus. Question 10. The process in which the movement of water from a region of higher water concentration to a region of lower water concentration 7 letters answer. Answer is osmosis. OSMOSIS. 7 letter is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Question 11. The powerhouse of the cell. 12 letters. Answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria. So there is 12 letters in mitochondria. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Question 12. The fundamental and basic unit of life. So there is 4 letters and it is the name of this chapter, cell. CELL. 4 letter is there. Question 13. A cell organelle that maintains turgidity and rigidity of the cells. 8 letter is there. So it helps in plant. Answer is vacuoles. VACUOLES. So in this way there is 13 question we have completed that makes a riddle. I hope you enjoyed in this solution. Okay.